Franklin coming over to play, growing a little every day. Here he comes with all his friends. They've got stories, got time to spend with you. Hey, it's Franklin coming to your house. Hey, it's Franklin coming to my house. Hey, it's Franklin.
Franklin the Fearless. Franklin could count by twos and tie his shoes. He was always brave when he bruised his knee or got a sliver. But one day, Franklin learned that admitting he was afraid was a brave thing to do, too.
Ready, set, go!
Yeah!
Whee!
This doesn't seem as fun as last summer.
Maybe Acorn Hill's getting smaller. Or maybe we're all getting bigger.
Yeah, we need a bigger hill.
Some of the big kids ride their bikes down Thrill Hill. Wow! Really?
No way. Who told you that?
My cousin Jack. And he should know, 'cause he is a big kid. Let's go check it out. Yeah, okay. Gee, it sure is high.
And steep.
Look at all the rocks.
You can go first if you want.
That's okay. I'll let Bear go first. Huh? Maybe Thrill Hill is a little too big. I mean, it would be a lot of work to pull our wagons all the way back up.
Yeah, Acorn Hill's not so bad.
Okay, let's go back there. I'll catch up in a minute. As soon as I grab a handful of those berries. I'll wait for you. See you later, guys. Whoa! Franklin's going for it! Yeah! Look at that! Look at him go!
Sounds like he's having lots of fun.
He's almost at the bottom. Way to go, Franklin!
That was an amazing ride!
Wow! I've never seen anybody drive a wagon like that, and you made it all the way to the bottom! Yeah, am I ever lucky? You mean brave! Brave? Me? Are you kidding? You went down Thrill Hill!
Yeah, you're fearless.
3 cheers for Franklin the Fearless! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! And then his wagon hit a bump and sailed into the air. I had to hold on really tight so I wouldn't fall out. After he landed, he had to steer really hard because there was a big rock right in front of me. 2 of the wheels were right off the ground. Like this. Then I had to steer the other way to miss another rock. Wow. Weren't you scared? Not Franklin. He's fearless.
Wow, I wish I could have been there to see it.
Yeah. Me too. Too bad everyone couldn't have seen it. No problem. You can do it again tomorrow, right, Franklin? Huh? Really?
Can't wait! I don't know anyone as brave as you, Franklin.
3 cheers for Franklin the Fearless. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! There it is, Thrill Hill. Maybe you should try a practice run before tomorrow. I don't think so. Yeah, I guess it's nothing to worry about for Franklin the Fearless, but I'm getting tummy butterflies just thinking about it. Yeah. Well, see you tomorrow, Fearless. This time everybody's gonna be watching. You're gonna be famous. Oh, everybody? Look out! Oh no!
3 cheers for Franklin! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray!
Oh. Hey, this isn't so bad after all. Yay! Nice job!
Yay, Franklin!
You're the bravest. That's right. I'm the bravest kid in the...
You're fearless, Franklin!
Way to go, Fearless!
Way to go, fearless!
Huh? Oh, just a bad dream. Well, Sam, this is it. Wish me luck.
Go, Franklin!
You can do it.
You are fearless!
Yeah, right. Fearless.
You got it. Hit it.
Were you ever scared? No, I wasn't scared. I wasn't. Just another dream. Gee, Sam, I don't know what's scariest. Going down Thrill Hill or not going down and having everyone laugh at me. Oh. Huh? Morning already? Or maybe it's another dream. Ow! Nope, I'm not dreaming. Goodbye, Sam. You're the best dog I ever had.
You've hardly touched your breakfast, Franklin. Are you feeling all right?
I'm just not very hungry, I guess.
Hey, Franklin, are you ready?
Oh. Bye, Mom. You're the best mom I ever had.
Oh, why thank you, Franklin. Goodbye.
Aren't you forgetting something, Franklin?
Huh?
Your wagon?
Oh, yeah. My wagon. How could I forget?
You're lucky I remembered.
Yeah, thanks, Bear.
I'm lucky too,
What do you mean?
because my best friend is going to be famous. Hop in. I can get us there faster.
Faster? Great.
This wagon's getting harder and harder to pull.
Do you want to stop and rest for a while?
No. That's okay, Franklin. You don't want to keep everyone waiting.
Oh, yes, I do.
Here he comes! Go, Fearless! Whew. Are you ready, Fearless?
I guess so.
Do you need a push?
No! I'll do it myself.
Wait a minute! Jack didn't believe me when I told him about Franklin the Fearless, so I told him to come and see for himself.
Hi, guys.
Gee, even a big kid wants to watch you, Franklin. I knew you were going to be famous.
No kidding? You're really going down Thrill Hill?
He sure is.
He's fearless. 3 cheers for Franklin the Fearless. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Huh?
What happened not fearless. That's what happened. I'm sorry, you guys.
He really did go down yesterday.
I went down by accident, and I was really scared, but I didn't want to admit it, especially when everyone thought I was so brave.
You were scared? Gee, I thought you were having fun.
It was no fun at all. I'm not Franklin the Fearless. I'm Franklin the Scaredy Cat.
You're no scaredy cat, Franklin. I say you're pretty brave.
Brave? But I was scared.
Hey, that's the steepest hill around. Who wouldn't be scared? What's brave was admitting it to all your friends.
You really think so?
I know so. And I'll tell you a secret. Some kids would go down this hill just to be a big shot in front of their friends. And that would be really dumb.
It would?
Yeah, and I should know.
'Cause you're a big kid?
No, because that's how I broke my arm last summer.
Gee, Franklin, I'm glad you didn't go down Thrill Hill just because of us.
Yeah, you could have really been hurt. We would have felt awful.
Thanks, guys. Next time I'll be brave and admit that I'm scared.
Hey, Franklin, your wagon made it all the way down.
3 cheers for Franklin's fearless wagon!
Franklin and the Thunderstorm. Franklin could count by twos and tie his shoes. Sometimes he slept without a nightlight, and he could even go down to the cellar all by himself. But one day, Franklin learned that being afraid was nothing to be ashamed of.
Franklin makes a move around the rose bush and passes to Franklin. He shoots.
He scores!
You're right on time, Bear. Let's go. Snail wants us to meet him at the bridge.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, let's take the shortcut.
Okay. Huh?
Spiders! Where?
Ah! They're on me! Ah! Ah!
Hold still, Bear.
Ah! There's one crawling on my back!
Ooh, it's just a leaf. See?
Oh, phew. Why don't we just take the long way to the bridge?
I'll move him out of the way.
Thanks, Franklin. Spiders give me the creeps. Ugh. Where's Snail?
I don't know. He said he'd meet us here by the...
There!
Snail?
Oh, there you are. What are you...
Hide!
What are we hiding from?
That big, huge, gigantic, whatever it is.
It's okay. Look, it's just a little dragonfly.
With a big shadow.
A big, scary shadow.
It doesn't look as scary from up here, Snail. See?
Yeah. Thanks, Franklin.
Come on, Bear. We'll race you to the soccer field.
Hey, not fair. It's 2 against 1. Look out, Franklin!
Get him, Beaver! Great save, Fox! Good pass, Snail. Thanks.
Uh-oh.
Ah! Score!
I'm sorry, guys. I should have had it. You'll stop him next time, Rabbit. I'll try. It's just... well, I guess I'm kind of, scared of the ball hitting me.
Well, then, why don't I take great goal.
Really?
Sure, you're a lot faster than me. We could use you as a forward.
Thanks. But aren't you scared of getting hit with the ball?
Are you kidding? Nothing scares Franklin, not even spiders.
Or big spooky shadows.
He's fearless.
Yeah, he's Franklin the Fearless.
Hey, are we talking or playing?
Yeah, I don't know about Franklin the Fearless, but Franklin the Goalie will never stop my shot.
Hey, I felt a drop.
Aww. It's raining.
Oh, great.
Gee, maybe we'd better head for home. But we barely got started.
And we were winning.
It's just a sprinkle. Maybe it won't last long.
I know. Why don't we wait in the library until it stops raining?
Good idea.
Let's go.
Okay.
Race ya!
Well, okay. Hurry, Franklin.
Ooh, look at those clouds.
Looks like there's a big storm coming.
Oh, dear me. Such weather. Come on in, boys.
I really should run for it. Run for home, I mean. Mom's probably wondering where I am.
Oh, now don't you worry, Franklin. You go on and have fun. I'll call everyone's parents and let them know that you're all here, safe and dry.
Come on, Franklin. This will be a good day to do the World Atlas puzzle. It's 1,000 pieces.
Does anybody have Italy's big toe?
Where did Tasmania go? It was right here a minute ago.
Snail's trying to make it fit into Hawaii.
Oops. Sorry.
Does this look like a piece of the Pacific or Atlantic Ocean?
Huh? Oh, Atlantic, I think. Or maybe Pacific.
Are you feeling okay, Franklin?
Sure, I'm fine. No problem.
Feeling sad because our soccer game got rained out?
Yeah, that's it.
I don't blame you, Franklin. I was looking forward to the game all week.
Me too. And then we only got to play for about 5 minutes.
And we were winning. Ooh, looks like it's getting worse. Huh?
Oh, what happened?
The power's gone out.
I don't like this.
Oh, my. Stay calm, children. I'll get the lantern from the storeroom.
Kinda spooky, isn't it?
Yeah, I've never been in a library after dark.
Did you hear that? What is it?
Maybe this place is haunted. But ghosts don't come out in the daytime.
So, it's just as dark as night.
Oh, yeah. Maybe ghosts can't tell time.
They probably don't even have wristwatches.
Look! What is it?
A ghost?
A giant spider? It's trying to get in.
It's okay, you guys. It's just the wind blowing a tree branch up against the window.
Phew.
Was that ever spooky? My fur was standing on end.
Yeah, we were pretty scared there for a minute.
But not Franklin.
He's Franklin the Fearless.
No, I'm not.
Sure you are. Nothing scares you.
No, I'm still scared of some things.
Like what?
You guys will think it's silly. I'd rather not.
What?
Here we are. Isn't this nice and cozy?
I have to go home now, Mrs. Goose.
Oh.
Oh, dear. I'm sorry, Franklin, but it's best if you stay put until this storm is over.
You never told me you were afraid of thunderstorms, Franklin.
I was afraid you'd laugh at me.
Gee, why would I do that? You didn't laugh at me about being scared of spiders.
Or me for being scared of the soccer ball.
I guess we're all afraid of something, like big spooky shadows. Or climbing up really high.
How about that tree branch tapping on the window?
Yeah, that was a good one.
We were scared silly. Good thing Franklin was here.
I used to be frightened of thunder, too, when I was just a gosling.
Really?
So my mother told me that thunder was just the sound of cloud giants laughing up a storm.
Cloud giants?
And from then on, whenever I hear thunder and think of those cloud giants laughing, I want to laugh right along.
My dad says thunder is the clouds going bowling.
My cousin says it's the clouds playing drums up there. And he should know. He's in grade 3.
And lightning is just fireflies playing tag.
According to Weasel the Weather Woman's Guide to Weather, lightning is a big spark of electricity that travels from the sky to the ground. The spark is so hot that it makes the air around it pop.
And that's the sound of thunder?
Well, Weasel should know because she is the Weather Woman. But I like cloud giants going bowling and laughing up a storm better.
Me too.
Yeah.
Me 3.
Hey, I think I'm not so scared of thunderstorms anymore.
You see? If you share your fears, your friends can help you overcome them.
Yeah, I guess being afraid is nothing to be afraid of. Thanks for not laughing at me, you guys.
No problem.
Same here, Franklin.
Way to go.
Hey, look! A rainbow!
Isn't it pretty?
Wow!
You know, they say there's a pot of gold buried at the end of every rainbow.
So that's why the storm is over. Those cloud giants have gone to find the pot of gold.